Welcome to our webinar. Discover the vast amount of business credit and financing that is available for your business. Business credit is credit that is obtained in a business name. With business credit, the business holds its own credit profile and credit score. With an established credit profile and score, the business will then qualify for greater credit. This credit is in the business name and based on the business's ability to pay, not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, in some cases there is no personal credit check required from the business owner. The business can use its credit to qualify for revolving store credit cards like Staples, Lowe's, Sam's Club, Costco, BP, Walmart, even MasterCard, Visa, and American Express. The business can also qualify for credit lines and loans. A credit profile can be built for a business that is completely separate from the business owner's personal credit profile. This gives business owners double the borrowing power as they have both personal and business credit profiles built. Business credit scores are based only on whether the business pays its bills on time. A business owner can obtain credit much faster using their business credit profile versus their personal credit profile. Personal credit scores take time to build as they are based on 5 factors: payment history, utilization, length of credit history, accumulation of new credit, credit mix. Business credit scores are based only on whether the business pays its bills on time. A score of 100 means the creditor can expect payment may come early. A score of 90 means the creditor can expect payments comes within early discount period. A score of 80 means the payment is prompt. A score of 70 means the payment comes 14 days beyond terms. A score of 60 means the payment comes 21 days beyond terms. A score of 50 means the payment comes 30 days beyond terms. A score of 40 means the payment comes 60 days beyond terms. A score of 30 means the payment comes 90 days beyond terms. A score of 20 means the payment comes 120 days beyond terms. And UN reflects a score as unavailable. When done correctly, business credit can be built without a personal credit check. Some sources will approve business owners without the owner taking on personal liability. For a strong credit profile, ensure you have 10 accounts reporting. Ensure you get approval for at least one account with a $10,000 high limit. With 10 reported accounts and a $10K high limit account, you can continue building your business credit. There are many business credit and funding uses. You can use your established business credit to be approved for revolving credit accounts. Most major merchants offer business credit for you to apply for. Get approved at Staples, Office Depot, Lowe's, Home Depot, Dell, Shell, BP, Walmart, Costco, and more. Get approved for high-limit credit cards $10,000 plus. Get multiple Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and continue increasing limits. You can also be approved for credit lines. $50,000 to $150,000 credit lines available based on business credit with limited income document requirements. $250,000 credit lines are also available with full income verification. Credit lines come with check writing capability and a linked debit card. You can secure equipment leasing using business credit. Over 80% of U.S. businesses use equipment lease financing to acquire equipment for their businesses. Can be used for office equipment or large commercial equipment used for manufacturing. Can be used for starting a new business. You can also be approved for heavy equipment financing, loans from $10,000 to $2 million plus. Challenged personal credit history is okay. Receive lump sums of cash with equipment sale leaseback. Construction equipment, farming, paving, trailers, mining, manufacturing. Securities-based financing offers you great rates. You can get a revolving line of credit issued against securities such as stocks. Interest rates as low as 1.6% interest only. Loan-to-value of 70 to 90% of securities value. Limited documentation required to qualify. Most major stocks, mutual funds, treasury notes and T-bills, and corporate municipal bonds are accepted. You can also be approved for auto vehicle leasing using business credit. Vehicles can be leased in the business name. Auto leases can be obtained based primarily on business credit. Multiple leases can be obtained. Merchant advances are a fast and easy way to get funding. You can borrow against future credit card sales. Can be secured with challenged personal credit. Loans use past and current credit card history to determine financing amount. A small portion of each future credit card sale goes towards repayment. Revenue lending is another fast and easy approval source. Revenue financing is a loan to a company which is paid back through a royalty on the revenues. Funding is commonly available up to 25% of a company's annual revenue. One big benefit of revenue funding is that it provides a variable payment. Inventory financing is a great financing option if you have inventory now or need funds to purchase inventory. Inventory financing is a bank line of credit secured by the company's inventory as collateral. With inventory financing, the borrower receives a loan in order to purchase inventory. The purchased inventory is then used as collateral against the loan. AR factoring and PO financing is available also for you. Borrower against outstanding account receivables and purchase orders. Secure up to 80% of your invoices within 24 hours. No background checks. Lender handles collections. Not a loan. You can obtain wrap financing to put a commercial wrap on your vehicle. Loans up to $50,000. Tax advantages. Gain exposure without a large out-of-pocket cost. 72-hour approval. Multiple wraps are typically available. Get approved for commercial real estate financing using business credit. $75,000 to $20 million loans are available. Owner-occupied, conventional, investment, hard money, and bridge loans are available. Can be used for industrial, office, manufacturing, mixed use, auto dealers, daycare centers, assisted living facilities, and more. Get financing for house flipping with house reseller financing. This is the perfect funding for investors looking to rehab properties. Loans up to 65% of repaired value. 6-month loan terms available. Minimal documentation needed, including home inspection, purchase order, and 3 months of bank statements. You can also be approved for loans. Loans up to $12 million can be obtained. Many loans are backed by the SBA. Microloans are available and very popular. Require income verification. Thanks for attending our webinar. Contact us today to build business credit and obtain financing for your business.